Frequency. We're going to define it and we're going to provide some examples of frequency. So frequency, denoted as a small letter f, tells us how often an oscillation occurs. An oscillation would be a vibration. And it's the frequency is measured in oscillations per second, or cycles per second, or cycles per minute, or cycles per day. The cycle is the oscillation, the back and forth movement. One oscillation is equal to one cycle. Now, examples of frequency would be swings per second, an object, a pendulum moving back and forth. Or maybe you take medicine 3 times a day. That's the frequency that you take the medicine. Or you eat 3 times a day. RPMs, you may be familiar with engines moving with a particular RPM, say 2,000 RPM or 5,000 RPM. RPM means revolutions per minute. We have cycles measured as revolutions, a turn, per minute. So I think the most common example, a great example for you to think about when you think about frequency, is your heartbeat. Your heartbeat beats at a particular frequency. So a rest heartbeat is typically 60 beats per minute. So heartbeats per minute. And heartbeats refers to what is cycling, what is happening over and over again. And of course, minute refers to the time. So units of frequency, more of a review, what I just talked about. Cycles per second. So anything could be the cycle. It could be beats. It could be bounces. It could be swings. The unit would be 1/second, or second to the -1. 1 cycle per second is also called a hertz. 1 cycle per second is equal to 1 hertz. H, small letter Z, or Z. Now, frequency and period are related. Frequency is the inverse of period. So frequency is 1 divided by period, or period is 1 divided by the frequency. An example, if the period of something is 4 seconds, then the frequency is going to be 1/4 seconds, or 0.25 cycles per second. So what does that mean? Each cycle takes 4 seconds, but 0.25 cycles occurs every second. And that relates frequency and period.